My biggest wish was that Lehasa walks into the dinner while Sbusiso is sitting there. And obviously, the writer decided no. And I'm just thinking, what other dramatic way would it be if it's not dinner? Yo, Nkosi yami, like so linda, yazi Nkosi yami so linda, linda bayak, like I was so excited and I was just hoping, kiminyile kere wa itse king baska ba bolela lebitso, because if ba bolela lebitso, then he will know. Oh. I'm so frustrated and I just want this thing gore itswele pepeneneng, and then everyone a itse gore mang ke mang o irang and then ho irahalang mo wa itlhaloganya. So if bianong yena so wa tsamaya and then Lehasa walks in, he closed the door, Lehasa opens the door, then it's a problem for me. Ndifuna abanjwe lo mfana, ndifuna aziwe ba uyinhlobo njani, inhloboni ipendi, and it's just taking way too long for me. Anywho, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Skeem Saam Dimadekwana. Sanibonani, avuxeni, molweni, minjani? Ipfukile hi ngongwina. So namuntlha ka nongonoko wa hina wa Skeem Saam hi kuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that the trip to Namibia, remember the two gentlemen, Tibos and Kwaito, they have decided, okay, you know what, we are taking the deal, but we're just going to keep it amongst us. So the contract was sent, and then they had a discussion on what are the nitty-gritties of the contract, what is expected out of them. And one of the expectation out of the contract was that they have to visit Namibia at least twice a month. Now, the discussion between the two was, how do we then make it to Namibia twice a month without our families knowing that we are going there? Then I think Tibo says that we are going to drive there instead of flying there. Now, Maya maybe got Tuesday and then get there Wednesday. Do the 20-hour drive. Right? Right. As they still think it's sealed and delivered, then Huira Halaposho. Mpuchish. The driver that is supposed to take them to Namibia, he's going around confirming physical addresses. So obviously when you have to leave, obviously somebody has to confirm the address a day before. Gore isgaba hassle in the morning while he needs to pick up and he's getting lost. Ha phone kontlung ukreya Mapitsi. Mapitsi answers the phone. Hi, how are you? Good, how are you? I'm good. How can I help you? My name is whoever. I'm the driver that will be transporting whoever to Namibia. Yeah? Yes. Namibia? Yebo. Okay, so no, I was just here to confirm the residential address. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Picks up the phone, calls Tibos. Tibos, honestly, a gentleman he's coming to confirm the address for trip ya how ya go Namibia. Kanti huira halang. No, Mapitsi, wait, just hang 10. I'm coming there. Get out huira halang. Hibatu. Poop takes the laptop and everything and then tells Kwaito, ungathi sibanjiwe ke ngoku. Kanjani umlise ufonile endlini uthi ufuna confirm address? Really? Kwaito takes his laptop as well, rushing home. Now this one, because they should have just disclosed this in the beginning, so that nobody gets to gets like anyone who is stuck between a rock and a hard place, because had they disclosed this, it was going to be just a smooth ride. They are busy preparing to sue the company. They are busy preparing for their trip to Namibia. I don't know. So now it makes clear sense why Bashimani, they don't want this suing business, because now they know that they're doing business. It's like for the parents, it's like sleeping with the enemy. Anywho, so Kwaito's sister comes through, and then Kwaito was just elaborating on how Elizabeth is going through a lot now, and she's stressed about her mother and my mother's case. Now he is afraid she doesn't have to be too stressed, and then I was oh, because of the small bambino. And he was so shocked to find out that she knows. And then he said, you know what? Ha re so bolele batswadi, ne ke kopa hore taba e no nna mahareng ha rena, because we are still trying to figure this thing out. And ha re itse hore wena o ikrele bjang. And I also don't know how did Stoko got to find out about the baby. But yeah, here we are. She knows, she's found out. But she was told to keep it shut. Speaking of keeping it shut, a lady who is getting married, she's got it all together. So, Pretty Camilla was okay. Pretty soon to be Maposa was a bit frustrated about her work and not coping, but this time around it looks like she's got it all together. She's got it all figured out, because the boss, Mr. Kubas, said to her that this is a good job. It means she was giving it her all. So it means that, on a nutshell, she's ticking all the boxes. Umshado underway, and umsebenzi uyenzeka in a proper way. So it means that konke kuhamba kahle. Apart from the fact that umyeni wakhe uhambile manje uye eLimpopo, so she's going to be alone for a moment there. So now, and then Mr. Gubas was like, she was doing good and she was happy and excited about it. And I'm like, congratulations, girl, you are doing right. Anywho, on the other hand, yeah, must say it was time for preparation for Ugudla. Okay, before we get to the preparation of Ugudla, Ujekopeth, her case now is back on, and she was requested to come and see the complainant. And now she is not happy, and Elizabeth is just taking it all in and saying that if you want me to go with you, I would go with you. But I just don't, I don't trust Matobakali's lawyer. He seems not to be so sure about his story, because Mama Lizzie Jokebeth, when she was asking him, what are the nitty-gritties? Why would he like to see me? What is happening? The lawyer did not have answers. And I was like, at this point in time where everything is happening, you do not have answers? Wow. Like, yeah, well, that's a first. So anyway, he does not have answers. And on the other side, that's going to be a wedding of a century. And this would make Umantuli very happy, because she is part of a person or so this time around, she is going to be bragging about everything and anything that has to do Lili Nyalo. But my question is, when she find out Namibia, won't that break her, and won't it break the families? And then the whole no, lena le ba selfish, re le boditse gore ha re nyake ditaba tsa ko Namibia. Woo, I should have had a drink now, like something to drink while I'm taking all this in, because go sa tlo ba busy. A lot needs to come out, and it coming out Udovwa Bonyongo. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next upload. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up.